For more information, please visit our website at DarkCyberetics.com. This is DarkCybernetics, Mathematics for Computer Scientists, Chinese box multiplication. Follow along for our free course documentation. As you can remember, in grade school math, when we multiplied a number like 27 times 13, we had a number, and we had to carry a number, and we took the number on the bottom, and then we did some multiplication, which required n squared steps, where we went from the bottom to the top, and then we crisscrossed over the other guy, and we got some numbers, and we did the same thing for the other row. Well, in this algorithm, we just need to just take the number, and we add, and do some addition at the bottom. Alright, so let's put this using the Chinese box multiplication method, where when we multiply 27 times 13, we have to carry a number, and there's a 2, 3 on here, 2 on the bottom, and then alright, so let's put the numbers into the grid, where we just put one number across the horizontal axis. Let's put the 27 on top, right? And we can just put the 13 on the what's this? It's the vertical axis, right? Okay, so in this algorithm, we just simply need to put the tens value in the upper box and the ones value in the lower box. So if we have a grid of this, well, this is a n by n matrix, we just need to put the numbers here. So if we do regular math here just to check it, we 3 times 27 is what, 81, and we know that we do 1 times 7 is 7, and 1 times 2 is 2, and we have to bring down the numbers, but just as a weak estimation, we can say that it's 350, right? But it's really 351, 350, 351 as the answer, right? So we just need to go across the grid. So let's start in the ones column first. This smallest box, box closest to the solution is there. So 3 times 7 is 21. So we would put a 2 in the upper box region, and we would put a 1 in the lower hand box region. So we put a 2 up here and a 1 down here. So all we have to do is go about going into each particular box and see if there are 1 digits. So we know if we multiply 3 times 2, we get a 6, and there's 0 tens values, right? That's easy. And we know there's 0 tens values, but there's a 2 and a 2 here, right? And if we multiply 1 times 7, there's a 0 tens value, and there's 7 ones values. Alright, so we can just, this time, we just add, of course, linearly across the lines. We just we started with 1. The first answer is 1, so we know this is wrong. Even on our solution, that's 1. So we know the first number we write down here is 1, and we add the 2, and the 6 together, and we get 8, and 8 plus 7 is, of course, 15, like we did last time in our elementary version of multiplication. So we can just write an 8 in here. Alright, I can just write an 8 in here. We can do it on the paper or somewhere else. Write an 8 here, so 8 times 5 is 15, so we just need to write the 5 down and carry the 1 for this answer. Alright, and then since we carry the 1, this number turns into a 3. So they are the same. Check. And for more information, please visit our website at DarkCybernetics.com.